Most beginners skip pronunciation. That's why they always sound like beginners. In the next 5 minutes, I'll teach you the 6 German sounds that actually matter. And everything you learn after this will sound 10 times better. Welcome to Lesson 1 of the A1 German course. I'm here to get you speaking, not memorizing rules. Let's go. First, the umlauts, 3 letters with dots. They're not decoration. They change the meaning of the word. First letter is A. It sounds like E in bed, for example. Mädchen, which it means girl. Say E, but round your lips like you're whistling. For example, schön, which it means beautiful. U is the hardest. Say E, but push your lips forward into a tight U shape. For example, über, that means over. If you can nail U, you're already ahead of 90% of beginners. Next, the Eszett. It looks like a capital B. It's not. It's just a sharp double S. That's the entire rule. Straße. That means street. Now the most feared sound in German, H. There are 2 versions, after A, O, or U. It's a throat itch, like clearing your throat softly. Buch. That means book. After E, I, or any umlaut, it's a soft hiss, like a cat. Ich. That means I. And one warning, soft ich is not esh. Don't say ish. It's softer, airier, almost breathy. 4-letter rules that instantly flip your accent. The letter W sounds like an English V. Wasser, water. The letter V sounds like an English F. Vater, father. Z is not Z, it's TS. Zwei, 2, and R, not an English R. It comes from the back of the throat, almost like a soft gargle. Rot. Red, we already made a short video about 10 colors in German. You can find it in our playlist or in our TikTok channel. Last one, and it's easy. She is exactly the English ash. That's it. Schule. School. Before we recap, 3 mistakes almost every English speaker makes, and how to fix them fast. Mistake 1. Pronouncing the W like an English W, it's not. It's always a V. Wasser. Mistake 2. Turning the soft ch into ish, it's not esh, it's lighter, airier, like a gentle hiss. Ich. Mistake 3, and this one's the biggest, skipping umlauts. If you say schon instead of schön, you're saying a completely different word. Schon. 1 umlaut, totally different meaning. That's why this matters. Quick drill. Listen to how one tiny sound change flips the entire meaning. Mutter means mother. Mütter, with the umlaut, means mothers. Mutter. Schon means already. Schön with the umlaut means beautiful. Schon. And Vater, spelled Vater, means father. But remember, the V sounds like an F, so it's pronounced Vater. Get the sound wrong, you change the word. This is why pronunciation isn't optional, it's everything. Let's put it all together. Here's one sentence that uses almost every tricky sound from this lesson. Ich möchte 2 Bücher kaufen. That means I'd like to buy 2 books. Count the tricky sounds, soft ch in ich, umlaut in möchte, z as ts in zwei, ü plus ch in Bücher. 4 of the 6 sounds you just learned in one sentence. Try it with me, slowly. First, ich möchte 2 Bücher kaufen. Now at normal speed. Ich möchte 2 Bücher kaufen. If you can say that cleanly, you've already internalized the core of German pronunciation. Your homework this week, say that sentence out loud, 10 times a day. Just that one sentence. By Friday, every tricky sound will feel automatic. That's how pronunciation actually sticks. Lesson 2 drops next week. Your first 15 German phrases, enough to hold a real conversation. Subscribe so you don't miss it. See you there. And if you practice that sentence while watching, write Ich möchte in the comments. I read everyone.